My fiction authors, I am so excited about this video because today I want to show you how to create a website to promote your fiction novels using vibe coding. If you've been following my channel for a little while, you know that I am currently transitioning into writing Christian romance novels. It's my dream. It's what I dreamed about doing when I was 6 years old. So as I've been doing research into this industry, I've been looking for really cool ways that authors advertise their books. And something I noticed was that some authors create these bonus scenes for their novels and put them on a website platform to promote their books. And I thought it was just the coolest thing in the world. But I was looking at it and I was saying, how do I create, though, this space that I see in my head on an actual website when I don't know how to code, when I don't know how to do CSS? Like, how do I do that? And then came vibe coding. If you haven't heard of vibe coding is basically you having a conversation with a really smart software engineer who knows how to build exactly what you see in your head. You just gotta have a conversation with it. So that's what I did. I had a conversation with a really cool vibe coder and I built this in about 5 minutes. This is a website where I have bonus scenes from my novel where somebody can go on, they can read those scenes and then click to purchase my novel. And I built this in 5 minutes. So I'm really excited to show this to you because I think this is a game changer for all of us as fiction authors because we can build these in less than 5 minutes by having a conversation with the right AI, and we can use these to promote our books. So in this video, I want to show you how to do this step by step. Just follow along with me and save this tutorial because I'm planning to do this for every single one of my novels. Because like, how cool is that marketing campaign? I keep thinking about it. I create the scene, and then I create the reel promoting the scene, and then so somebody goes from the reel to the scene to click purchase. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me show you how to do this. So step number 1 is to go into ChatGPT and write a prompt. The thing about vibe coding is it is a conversation. And while you can go directly into the vibe coding AI and start chatting there, I found that it was easier for me, like it took me only 5 minutes to get my site up and running when I use ChatGPT first. And so what you want to do is go into ChatGPT, tell it what you want to do, and say, hey, what is the initial prompt that I need to use to do this? So let me show you how to do this.
I am here in ChatGPT and I'm going to write in my prompt. Hi, chat. How are you today? Always be polite because we don't want it to turn against us. Okay. Chat said, hi, I'm doing great today. Thanks for asking. How are you doing? I hope your day is off to a wonderful start. I'll say, thank you so much. I am finished with my novel Purpose and I would love to build a build a website in Hosting Horizons, where I share bonus scenes from the novel so I can promote the book for sale. Could you help me write a prompt to do this? I have attached the novel cover and I would love for the site to match the aesthetic of the book cover. And I'll put add plus photos and upload the front cover of the novel. And then just push this upward button. It says, that's exciting. Congratulations on finishing your novel. Below is a clear prompt you can paste directly into Hosting Horizons to generate the site. It describes the design, layout, and functionality so the builder understands exactly what you want. Create a modern author landing page website designed to promote a romance novel and share exclusive bonus scenes. The website should encourage visitors to read exclusive bonus scene, learn about the story, purchase the book. The tone should feel romantic, emotional, feminine, and slightly dramatic, matching the aesthetic of the provided book cover. And it gives the colors. Purpose, should you choose? Oh, yeah, good. Okay, good. Okay, awesome. Love, 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 love. Excellent. So now we have a prompt.
Step number 2, sign up for Hosting Horizons and put in your prompt. I'm not kidding. That's how simple this is. Like, I cannot. If this stuff existed when I was 14 years old, I would have never even gotten to high school, I'm telling you. That's how simple this is. You're literally just gonna go into the AI and you're gonna paste that prompt and it's gonna create it for you. I don't even know what else to say here. It's gonna create it for you in a matter of minutes and you can get started promoting it in a matter of minutes.
I'm so excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Hosting Horizons. Shout out to Hostinger. Go to hostinger.com/Stephanie. And I recommend that you get started with a starter plan. You'll get 70 AI credits per month. You get a free domain for 1 year. You get 2 free mailboxes. You can create up to 25 websites on one plan.
You heard me right. 25 websites. You can sell subscriptions, you can sell physical and digital products. It's absolutely incredible. You also get 24/7 access to customer support, and you get a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you get started, you're like, oh, I'm not feeling this too much. You get that money back guarantee. It's absolutely a game changer. When you go ahead and select plan, go ahead and fill out all the details. And over here where it says have a coupon code, look at this, look at this. Put in Stephanie. Click apply. And boom, baby, you got 10% off. Thank you, Hostiner. Go ahead and click continue. Once you're taken to this page, you're going to paste that prompt in that you got from ChatGPT and add your front cover again. Then click this arrow and watch Horizons build for you. It's so exciting to watch this. So now Horizons is thinking and it responds back. I'll create a stunning author landing page for Purpose the Novel that captures the romantic, emotional aesthetic of your book cover. Here's what I'll build. Hero section, about the story, exclusive bonus scene section with expandable scene cards. Ooh, that opens into beautiful page layouts. Oh, I can't wait to see that. About the author, get your copy section with the book cover and purchase button, footer with copyright, and design elements. Love that. So now we're just going to let it work and build for us. Look at what it made. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love that the font matches the font of the cover. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay. So on the left here, you'll see everything that it created for you. And what you can do it says you can now click read bonus scenes to expand, click buy the book, and update the author bio, social links, and retailer URLs as needed. Would you like me to add anything else? So this is absolutely beautiful. So let me just go through. So this is the cover. And then purpose of the novel, she chooses the career of her dreams or the man she's always wanted. So right here, if you click edit content, you'll see where you can edit the content yourself. And then anywhere you can't, it'll tell you that you have to make the change through the chat. Like this, I would have to make a change through the chat. So I'm gonna click here and her name is Zaya. So I'll just do that and click save. Read bonus scenes, buy the book. Okay, so this link, buy the book, this is the sales page for Purpose. There's a preview. It shows all of the chapters about the author, all that good stuff. So I'm going to ask it to link to this. And to do that, I just have to say, this is amazing. Can you link and I'll put the exact word, buy the book button with this URL, and I'll put the URL. You're just having a conversation to make this exactly how you want it to be. And now it says done. The buy the book button now links directly to your course page. When readers click it, they'll be taken to, and they have that link there. And by the way, if you ever make a change that you don't like, go to restore here and you can go back to a previous version. So now that button goes to that link. Now let's click here, read bonus scenes. Read the full scene. Oh, look at that. It made a scene up. Okay, so I need to change this to my stuff. So I'll click edit content. So I'll click here and it says this text can only be changed through the chat. So I'll grab my actual scene and I'll say, thank you so much. Can you replace the text in bonus scene number 1, a quiet Saturday morning, with this text? And click my button. And it's going to do it for me. It said, I'll update bonus scene number 1 with that text for you. It's so cool. It's like talking to your own software engineer. Okay, perfect. I've updated the bonus scene with the full text. The card now shows a short preview of the opening. And when readers click read the full scene, they'll see the complete gripping narrative all the way through the cliffhanger with Caitlin. Thanks. Horizons liked my scene. That was nice. So I can scroll down. Let's see that scene. Here it is. Read the full scene. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So let's go ahead and open in a new tab so we can see fully, just to make sure it's exactly what we want. That took me just 2 prompts and a couple seconds to get a beautiful bonus scene website. Oh, I forgot to add right over here. I want to add my profile picture. Sorry, my novel, my author photo, I should say. The same one that I have here. So let me go ahead and do that. In marketing, there's something called AdSent where somebody sees the same images on both pages, so it makes them feel like they're in a familiar place. So I'll click Edit Content, I'll click SR, and it tells me that I can change it here. So I'll say, hi, thank you. Can you also replace where it says SR under About the Author with this photo of myself? And I'll upload photo and let it make that update. And while it does, let me just see if there was anything else. Okay, so I have to go in and where it says, I don't know why I think Zaya's name is Mia, but I just go through and change those names. I'll get rid of these buttons because it's only available here. I would change this, and I think that's it. Everything else is beautiful. About, bonus scenes, author, and by. I love it. Okay, done. Your beautiful author photo is now displayed. Let's see. Let's scroll down. Aha, there she is. I love it. Okay, so very quickly, I'm going to go into edit content and just change those names. So Zaya, we already did that one. Here it is. Zaya. And I could probably just prompt it. I could say, hey, everywhere it says Maya, change that to Zaya. But I just want to show you how you can manually do this too. Oh, and then I wanted to change this. So I'm going to say one more change. Or actually, let me go to the section. Under the Get Your Copy section, could you please remove the available at and the other buttons mentioned? Amazon, Barnes and Noble, Books a Million, and IndieBound. The book is only available on my website. And then I'll hit the arrow and let it take care of that. And Horizon says, I'll remove the available at section and those retailer buttons since your book is only available on your website. Thank you, Horizons. Okay, perfect. I've removed the available ad section and all those retailer buttons. Now get your copy section is clean and focused. So let's take a look and see. Gorgeous. All through a conversation. All through a conversation. So again, let me just go ahead and open in a new tab so we can see it full screen. See if there are any other changes we want to make. This is perfect. Look at this. And now I'm creating social media content to promote this and have people purchase my book. And so when they click the link, it'll take them to the page to actually purchase the book. Yay! You can get started very, very easily, my love, promoting your fiction novels with these bonus scene websites and have Hostiner Horizons build it for you in just a few minutes. So to get started, go to hostiner.com/Stephanie and use discount code Stephanie at checkout to get 10% off your entire hosting plan. And step number 3, create marketing content to promote your website. The thing I love about fiction is the marketing we get to do, in my opinion, is so much cooler than nonfiction. Now, I wrote my first fiction romance novel in 2012, the second one in 2020, but the primary way that I make my money here at Godlywood Girl is through nonfiction. In 2014 to 2016, I was writing daily devotionals. From 2016 to 2019, I was doing personal development. And from 2019 to 2023, I was doing business development. Now, the past couple of years, I've been writing Christian romance novels, but the marketing for my fiction authors, it's just so much fun. It's so much fun, especially as a creative. Like, you get to do the music and do the vibes. So create marketing content that really shows the vibes of your website, of your bonus novels. Make it beautiful. Make it cozy, make it intimate, make it so that you're creating this space so that somebody can go in and experience your writing right there on your website. And the goal is for when they come on and they experience this vibe, that they go ahead and purchase your book so they can read the entire story. I get a lot of questions about marketing, and so on pretty much every video the past couple of weeks, I've been trying to show you guys Instagram Reels because it's so simple to do. So go to canva.com and search Instagram Reels. Get any one of these video templates because we're going to change it. So I'll just click this one, customize this template, delete what's on the screen. And then I want you to grab a video that describes your book scene. So over here on the left, I'll go to videos.
This one looks good. This one looks good. This one is actually perfect. Oh, this one is perfect. Ha! So I'll drag and drop this one because they're actually kissing. And then go ahead and upload a scene from your book. And then now put your call to action. Read the full scene for free. Godlywoodgirl.shop. I'm going to put purposed the novel. And now what you would do is just upload this to, oh, you know what? One more thing I'm going to do. Go to background. I'm going to get rid of the saturation to make it, oh, look how good that looks. I love this. Yeah, this is perfect. So read the full scene for free, godlywoodgirl.shop. And now you would just post this on Instagram with trending music. And that's how easy it is to promote your book. Screenshot, put the call to action video representing your book. You can actually create this in AI too if you want to. So let me just press play so you can see this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And that's just on your Instagram feed.
Now, as always, none of this works unless you actually write a book, right? So I created a program for you called the Godly Wood Girl Faith-Based Author School, where I teach women of Christ how to write and self-publish their own nonfiction books in less than 30 days. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodness, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godly Wood Girl Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God Wood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godly Wood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit christianauthoschool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. In the meantime, don't forget to watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I'll show you how to get started with your book business online. Go to christianbusinesstoolkit.com, and don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as an indie author. I can't wait to see you there.